Hi and welcome back. So this is the final stage of the customer lifecycle, the retention stage. Once you get a customer on board, you need to retain that customer and make that customer a loyal customer. And to ensure that you provide enough and more value to that customer and ensure that you build a strong and meaningful relationship with that customer. So customer loyalty is a key concern for business to build long-term revenue. If you have a loyal customer, that loyal customer will likely spread word using the word of mouth about your products and services, about your company, about the culture of the company, about what the company stands for and values. So it's very good to ensure that focusing on customer retention will eventually lead to bringing in more customers and eventually more revenue to the business. So based on the customer's perspective, how do you decide whether this company or whether you're going to be loyal to this company? It's basically after sales service. So once you purchase a product, what is the additional value or additional things that you get from that company? For example, if you purchase a smartphone, things like warranty or free services and repairs. If you take a car, maintenance or engine tune-ups or tire tuning or things like that. So those are little things that will eventually build long-term meaningful relationships with the customer. We have dedicated information systems called Customer Relationship Management or CRM systems to really trace down the customer, to understand what the orders or what are the products and services that the customer has obtained, what are the warranty claims or what are the complaints that the customer has said and how we have addressed them, things like that. So in our next lecture, we're going to talk about another section on customer experience in Industry 4.0. I'll see you around.